how to recover your deleted YouTube videos. Sometimes what happens is that when you are on YouTube Studio, you may just delete a video by mistake. It happens, okay? You did not mean to do it, but your video got deleted accidentally. So in order for you to recover your deleted YouTube videos, there are certain things that you would need which you are not going to get directly on YouTube or anywhere online. There's a specific way to do this, so I want you to watch my video till the end so that you do this correctly and your deleted YouTube videos from your channel which you deleted by mistake is recovered back to your YouTube profile or your YouTube Studio. So the first thing is I want you to go ahead and log in with the same email ID for your YouTube account you want to recover a YouTube video for. So after you log in, this is going to be your feed page or your home page. You click on your icon out here and you click on YouTube Studio. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to YouTube Studio, on which you could see your dashboard, channel content, analytics, comments, subtitles and stuff like that. So click on content and I want you to get onto this page on which you could see a list of all your videos. Once you're here, I want you to get onto the next step. The next step involves in finding the video which was deleted. So if you click on playlists for your account and you check the playlist for a specific YouTube video that you deleted, click on videos, then you could see whatever videos are available under that playlist. So you could see there's a deleted video out, but you are not going to be able to do anything. So from this deleted video, you just need one thing which is very important for you to recover your YouTube video which was deleted: the URL for the video, which you are not going to see anywhere out here. If you even do a right click, you're not going to get an option to copy a URL because this is gone from your profile. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on Ctrl H from your laptop, or if you are using a mobile phone, just hit the three dot icons to the top for your Chrome browser and check the history. So once you click on history, once you're here, I want you to check all these links in your browsing history to get to that specific YouTube video URL. So if you check this one here, open link in a new tab. No, this is taking you to youtube.com. This is not your video URL. So I close that. This is YouTube Creator Studio playlist channel content. So let's try opening this in a new tab. So let's check this. This is going to playlists. So no, this is also not going to work. Let's go ahead and try this one. Open link in a new tab. Yes, this is it. So I want you to go ahead and copy this URL and keep it pasted in a notepad. So let's open a notepad. So you go ahead and just paste it on a notepad, okay, and keep this saved. After you do this, the next step is to send an email to customer support, and this is exactly how you need to send an email to customer support. So you get back to your channel out here and you are going to see a link for help. You click on help, then you get a pop-up window like this. Here I want you to click on search and just type in non-profit, or you could just type in profit. Okay, after you type in profit, you click on this tab, YouTube non-profit program overview. So once you click on this tab, you're going to be directed to this page. Here you could click on dedicated technical support and click on get in touch with us. So once you click on contact us, you are going to be directed to this page. Click on open in a new window. So a new window opens up. You scroll down and you click on support.google.com/YouTube. Then you click on contact us. Here you type in recover deleted video, then you select other, click on next step. Here you click on next step. Here you click on email. Then here this form is very important. Okay, then you put in your last name, then you put in your channel URL. So for your channel URL, get back to your channel page, then you could just copy this URL, and then you get back here and you paste the channel URL out here. And how can we help you? So here I want you to paste in a note. So the note could be something like this: hi team, I have deleted my video by mistake and now I want to restore it back to my channel. Please could you help me recover the video back to my channel again? So you could just type in this message, copy the same thing and keep it written down somewhere, or you could type it in somewhere, and then you can copy and paste it to your form for this request. So after you do that, is this issue about a specific video? Here you need to select yes. So these guys are going to ask you for a video ID. So it's 11 characters following with question mark v equal to in our video URL. So you copy this 11 alphanumeric word or whatever you want to call it, and you paste it out here. Okay, ensure there are no spaces. Then, is this request for verification? Please note that we no longer accept requests for verification. So you could put in no, and then please attach a file. It helps describe your issue. No file is chosen. So you do not need to put in a file, but here you need to put in the video URL. So video URL. Okay, just copy that and you paste it here, and your channel name, whatever it is, you put that in out here. Okay, so I want you to double check this form: your first name, last name, your channel URL. Okay, then the video that you want to restore, put in the video URL here. This is your channel name, of course, and then you put in your video ID. If you want to provide screenshots for that video, if you have any, you could provide, but I don't think you would have one because nobody knows we are going to make a mistake. So we wouldn't have one, right? So after you do that, click on submit. And once you submit this, within 24 to 48 working hours, you should get an email back from YouTube regarding this resolution. So within 24 to 48 hours, you would be receiving an email from YouTube support like this. Okay, so it's sent to me because I requested to reinstate a video. Okay, so a customer support rep would ask you to copy and paste this to the reply. So what you need to do here is just copy these letters in bold, and then you go ahead and do a reply to them directly. You could just type in hi Bert or whatever this person's name is from YouTube and paste that entire message. So just remove this. Okay, remove this, remove this. So you have to mention yes for everything out here. Okay, as mentioned in the email. So you just put in your name and date. Okay, so you put in your full name and put in the date out here. So today is the 6th. We have a format of DDMMYY. So whatever format you follow, that's okay, not a problem. So it's 6th of December 2023. Okay, there we go. So this is done. If you want, you could remove the brackets, but I would suggest you keep it as it is and you send this directly back to YouTube. Now, what's going to happen is, again, within 24 to 48 working hours or even faster, YouTube is going to go ahead and restore your video, because it is mentioned clearly out here that this person has investigated the video you're sharing, and here is the video ID that is eligible to be restored. So chances are that your video will be restored, 99%. So by doing this, you could recover your deleted YouTube videos easily. But if you are still having a problem, do let me know in the comments, or you could even send me an email. I'll do my best to try and help you, because there are a few other methods to recover deleted YouTube videos, provided we have the video URL. Take care, my friend.